the ukulele this time.
With the happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Aloha.
Happy birthday to you. Again.
Pastor.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pastor. Happy birthday to you. Small token, but you will not forget us because all our names and our messages are here and our faces. If you have a magnifying glass, you can see us here. But you and Miss Sandra are up here. So just a small token that says Happy Birthday, Pastor from Phil-Am Church.
Picture that we took a while ago after the service. Yes. We're hiding, but
We have a mini service here in Phil-Am.
We have the resources.
Feb, nag-video biya ko ay.
Ha? Ano?
Nag-video ako dito. Okay ka lang?
Hindi ako Febs.
Ay, Febs, Wilma.
Okay lang naka-video.
Ako butas ako YouTube.
Pabalik-balik na ako kanina ba na tumitingin ako dyan. O, kaya meron akong itsura dyan na naka-video. Nakatitig ko sa camera. Ano ka? YouTuber? Ganun eh. YouTuber.
Maski anong ginagawa.
Vlogger.
Tulog na lang.
This is how we work in church. Hindi siya nagulat ate. Ah, talaga? Yellow. Hindi siya nagulat. Let's see kung matamis siya. Si Kale, nandun kami sa Sam's. Tinuruan namin siya paano tumingin ng pakwan. Nakatukatok ba? Katukatok. Full siya. Ha? Full siya. Sorry. Paano malaman? Yung para siyang hindi siya maingay. Yung para siyang hindi maingay. Pero sabi ko, anak, may sira. Sabi niya, Mommy, it feels full to me. Go, okay. Oh, let's see. Parang full. Para siyang full. Ganun pala. Parang halo. Yeah, pag halo kasi may ganyan-ganyan. Oh.
Sriracha para di ba Will? Sa ano?
Ano yung spice? Na
Spicy mango.
Na may sugar and toyo?
Yeah, di ba last week?
Ay, tama.
Ay, walang tuyo yung last week.
Patikim. Patikim lang.
Patikim.
Sarap eh. Tikman niya natin kung lasa siyang nabagsak.
Kunting anghang, no? Ay, sarap
Yes.
pala.
Sarap na kumain.
Naku, ito na lang
Sarap
sa
yan.
akin.
I like that. I like
Ay,
this.
natikman ko last week, ay wala pa yung ano. Sino ba yung nagdala? Wala pa yung siyang...
Ang sarap.
Sarap, no?
Alala ko na naglilihi ako ganyan. Kapaano kay gano'n na manggang hilaw.
Hilaw.
O talaga?
Sabi niya, it's not the season. Kasi December yun eh. December, November. It's not the season. Kaya pa siya, pa-English ka pa dyan. Sabi sa kanya, bili mo akong manggang. Tapos sinalo ko ng toyo at saka sugar. Eh, what's that? Ganyan pa na. Hindi pa siya marunong mag-Tagalog na masyado ate.
Talaga?
Hi! guys, welcome to my vlog. Nagawa kami ng mango. At busy-busy ang kitchen namin ngayon dahil my birthday party sa aming pastor. And these are my pretty sisters. Hello! Today's dessert that I bake is lemon cake and binangkal. So, ito si lemon cake, guys, is our family's favorite. Si binangkal, guys, this is my first time to make binangkal. Hopefully, guys, masarap siya. And, of course, if you have binangkal, we need sesame seeds. And then, you make a bowl. Dip your dough into your sesame seeds. So that's it. It's very simple. And after that, you are going to fry this binangkal. You don't need to oven bake, but fry it. So here it is, binangkal. Medyo sunog siya, guys, but okay lang. And another na na-bake natin is lemon cake. This is my family's favorite. Masarap talaga si lemon cake. My kids don't like to eat chocolate cake, but if I bake lemon cake, they love it. So ito ang ating lemon cake. What I did is use fresh lemon dito. So lemon juice plus lemon zests. Ayan ang ating lemon cake. All you have to do is to bake that one into 360 for 45 minutes. In our topping, just mix confectioner sugar plus lemon juice, and I add coloring to this one to make it yellow, and you can tell that it's a lemon cake. And this is our chicken afritada, guys. Legs lang ginamit ko para mura lang siya. Ayan, so yummy. To our sweet and sour mango, make sure you will use a raw mango or the green one, but the yellow meat that makes it a perfect sweet and sour mango. So this is our ingredients. All you have to do is to add sriracha to give it a kick, and soy sauce, brown sugar, and lemon or lime. So yummy, guys. Naubos talaga siya. Another savory dish is a tuna ceviche. So these are the ingredients of our tuna ceviche. Make sure you are going to use a red onion because it has a different taste. You know, it's more tasty if you use that. And a lime. I don't use lemon, guys, but if you don't have lime, go ahead, use lemon. All you have to do is to wash your fish with vinegar, not water. Wash your fish with vinegar. And after that, you are going to soak your tuna for an hour and then overnight it before you eat it. So our tuna, guys, it has sugar as well. So another thing na doon ko lang sa likod sa kitchen na i-share, guys, is ang ating bamboo shoot with gizzard adobo. So ito siya, guys, ang ating na i-share. Thank you for watching. Bye!